Well, you're still here on MX24. My name is Benedict Hosu. Time to update you in the world of sports. Now, the Black Stars will play 2 international friendlies next month in Antalya, Turkey. The first will be on October 9, and that will be against Mali, after which in 3 days' time they will play against Equatorial Guinea. This will be the first opening games for Black Stars coach Siki Akono since his appointment in February. This also gives him the opportunity to put up a team ahead of the Nations Cup qualifier against Sudan in November. So we have to, we'll definitely do more in terms of the Black Stars later in our subsequent sports bulletins. But here on the local scene, the managing director of CALBank, Philip Oredu, has reaffirmed the commitment of CALBank to continue with their long-standing relationship in the development and promotion of beach soccer in Ghana. Now, the sponsorship of consecutive league seasons, the national beach soccer team, the Black Sharks, as well as sanitation social responsibility programs have won the bank numerous honors and commendations. Now, CALBank, of course, is Ghana's foremost indigenous financial institution and has been the prime sponsor of the Sun Sport since 2011. Well, away from the local scene, Havertz, signing one of Chelsea's signing this season, scored a hat-trick as Chelsea romped to a 6-0 victory against Barnsley and into the 4th round of the Carabao Cup. Well, other games were played last night in the Carabao Cup. Arsenal were away to Leicester City, and from a Ghanaian perspective, Daniel Amate, after being out for close to 2 years with a horrific injury, finally made a return, and what a delight it was seeing him play in that game. Unfortunately, his side lost 2-0 to Arsenal with Edin Ketia scoring the last goal for the Gunners. And at this point, it looks like all the big teams are making it to the next stage of the competition. Everton, another Premier League side, also are through to the next round. They finished off Fleetwood in a lively game to set up a 4th round against a tie against West Ham United. The defending champions of this very competition, Manchester City, they've won it 3 consecutive times, as well as the defending English Premier League champions, Liverpool. Tomorrow we'll bring you highlights of what happened in their respective games. But, before I take leave of you, Rocky Tyler Hill scored a career-high 37 points as the Miami Heat defeated the Boston Celtics 112-109 in Game 4 of the Eastern Conference Finals. Now, the Heat now lead the best-of-7 series 3-1 and can ensure their place in the NBA Finals with victory in Game 5 on Friday. And on that note, we end sport here on MX Breaks. My name is Benedict Hosu. Thanks so much for your company. Keep watching MX24. We are back same time tomorrow with more sports news.